Forget Midjourney. This free AI tool can generate mind-blowing images like this with text embedded in it. It is called Ideogram.ai. All you have to do is to sign up with your Google account and start generating images all for free. You can create such mind-blowing images with any text of your choice. You can write your own prompt up there, or if you like any other image and wanted to generate images like that, just click on the image and now you have two options. You can either remix the image with your own prompt or just copy the prompt and make the desired modification. Choose the aspect ratio and hit the generate button. And wait for some moments, the AI will start rendering your images at high quality. And boom! Your images are ready, and you can download these images all for free. You can generate any number of images all for free without paying any monthly subscription. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing videos.